Hi, thanks for checking out our channel here. This is going to be just an overview video of this particular unit. This is one that we worked on and got fixed for a customer. It's a Stafix M36R. The equivalent SpeedRite unit looked just like it, but red case on the front with SpeedRite 36000R. So if you got one of those units and you want to send it in here for us to look at, we'd be happy to take a peek at it for you. We also work on cattle scales and load bars for both Gallagher and True Test, and we also work on EID tag readers for the Gallaghers and stuff. But we work on all brands and ages of these electric fence boxes. So if you got one, send on it here. We'll take a look at it for you. It's a 110, 120 volt model. Pretty stout unit. It's 36 output joules, probably 50 plus stored. So in that 9 joule range, or not 9,000 volt range, sorry. So packs a heck of a punch. So let's see if we can find a wire, put it across just so we can get it to jump a spark here pretty good. Hitting hard and heavy. So pretty neat little unit. It has a row of lights that light up here. The higher up it goes, the better your fence is, the less stress is on the unit. So it's like a fence performance gauge is what this is mostly used for. It will flash random things when there's like an error code, and you can't get any notes on the error codes from the manufacturer. Basically, it just means there's something wrong with it. So if this has a funny, weird signal light flickering on there, just send it in here. They don't recommend that this everyday Joe just work on the thing. There's just so much going on inside there. I think they even write on here, yeah, no user serviceable parts inside, returned or appointed service place. So you know, it's better to sent to a place like me that works on these things for a living, that does it every day, versus just trying to open up, mess with it, and there's nothing you can really do to it on your own. There's so much going on with these things, and typically on these big ones, if you start taking it apart and fooling around with it, you usually make it worse than what it should be, and then you got more repair that to be done versus just what was wrong initially. So I don't recommend anybody work on these things unless you want to send it into a place like us, and we'll do it for you. You know, these things they don't make the 36 joule SpeedRite or Stafix unit anymore, unless you can find one on the shelf somewhere. That's like new old stock. I forget when. We're in 2021, so I think spring of this year is when they kind of discontinued it, and they came out with that SpeedRite 46,000W or 45,000W, some new Wi-Fi enabled unit, but they're $1,500 to $1,800 for one of those. So it's a little strong on this one. This one sold for probably $1,200 to $1,300 back in its day. You know, so to repair one, it's not cheap, but it's a lot cheaper than buying a new $1,000+ unit. You know, $1,500 to $1,800 for a new model. Definitely a lot cheaper than fix one of these and buy a new one. But if you got to buy a new one, you got to buy a new one. Then you fix this one for a good spare backup. So, well, that's it for this little video. Just wanted a quick little show and tell about the thing and talk about it. So if you got one, send it in here. We'll take a look at it for you. So until next time, bye.